Hello everyone and welcome to this session. Today let's talk about IIM Sirmaur, which has launched a new graduate program. They are calling it BMS Programme, Bachelor of Management Studies Program, and with this IIM Sirmaur has become the first IIM in India to have launched a full-fledged classroom undergraduate program. See, the remaining IIMs, they don't really have a full-fledged classroom undergraduate program. IIM Bangalore does offer an undergraduate program, but that's an online program. Here I am talking about full-time on-campus classroom program. So with this, IIM Sirmaur has created history. They have become the first IIM in India to offer such an interesting program. While there are IIMs like IIM Indore or IIM Ranchi or IIM Rohtak or IIM Jammu or IIM Bodh Gaya, which do offer integrated program in management, but that is a graduate plus postgraduate kind of program. But IIM Sirmaur program is completely an undergraduate program. So that's why I'm saying it's the first time in India to have launched such a program. Now, let's understand a little bit about IIM Sirmaur. See, IIM Sirmaur is in a beautiful state of Himachal Pradesh. And IIM Sirmaur was established by Government of India in 2015. It's one of the newer IIMs, but in the last almost a decade of their existence, they have done a fabulous job in terms of quality of education, in terms of quality of delivery, as well as the quality of placements that they are able to secure for their students. They have done an amazing job. That's the reason this news of IIM Sirmaur starting an undergraduate program is a welcome news for any management aspirant, any 11th or 12th class student who is aspiring to make a career in the field of management. Definitely IIM Sirmaur will be one of the dream destinations for that particular individual. Alright, now IIM Sirmaur has launched a full-time bachelor program and they are calling it Bachelor in Management Studies, and the duration of this particular program would be a 4 years program. Now the significance of 4 years is 4 years program will enable you to go abroad also in case you decide to do that. So some people would like to go to America, for instance, for pursuing their postgraduate program. For such individuals, a 4-year program will be appropriate because that will make it a 16 years of education and that will make you eligible to pursue masters in countries like America. So that's the reason the 4 years is a welcome news for all management aspirants. Now, let's talk about another interesting feature of this program. Even though I said it's a 4-year program, but they do allow multiple exit options in their program. Now, what do I mean by multiple exit options? You can leave the program in case you decide to at different time periods during the program. For instance, if somebody quits the program, leaves the program after finishing the first year, then what will happen? That person will get a certificate and it will be certificate in management studies would be awarded to that person. So that 1 year that you are spending here, it will not be a waste of time. You do end up with a certificate in management studies. If somebody leaves the program after second year, they also get a certificate, but their certificate will be advanced certificate in management studies. And more importantly, if somebody decides to pursue their MBA in other IIMs and they want to leave after finishing 3 years, then after 3 years, you do get a Bachelor in Management Studies. A proper degree will be awarded to you. It will be a Bachelor's in Management Studies degree that will be awarded after 3 years. So some students may say, after 3 years, I'll get a degree, I'll get a BMS degree and I want to write CAT and I want to move to older IIMs. You can definitely do that. They allow that. So after 3 years of program, you do get a degree called Bachelor in Management Studies. And in case you decide to stick with the entire program and you leave only after finishing the 4-year program, then ladies and gentlemen, you will be awarded Bachelor's in Management Studies honors. So honors degree is what you would get after finishing 4 years of program. So this multiple exit option is a welcome development because even if you are spending some time, not the entire 4 years. Even if you exit after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, you do get something out of it. In fact, 3 years, you do get a full-fledged degree in BMS. So that's a welcome development as far as this particular program is concerned. But the best aspect about the program, if you ask me, is they are going to give you an option of joining their MBA program. IIM Sirmaur has a fabulous MBA program. And if you join MBA program, if you want to pursue MBA program, and after finishing BMS honors, if you do well, if you perform well, if your GPA is very good, then ladies and gentlemen, they are giving you admission to IIM Sirmaur MBA program. And the best part is they would give you an exception as far as CAT is concerned. You don't have to write CAT exam. Without having written CAT exam, by purely doing an amazing job in your BMS honors program, you will get admission into IIM Sirmaur's much coveted MBA program. That's a very attractive aspect as far as this particular program is concerned. Now, the remaining details pertaining to what's the fees of the program, details pertaining to what's the eligibility criteria, will there be an entrance exam or not, all those details have not yet been released. They are expected to be released very, very soon as such. So if you want more information like this, do subscribe to our channel. We regularly upload these kind of very useful videos for management aspirants. So do subscribe to our channel. Share this wonderful news with your friends who may also be aspiring towards making a career in management. And do hit the like button if you like this video. Alright, so with this, I come to the end of this particular session. Thank you everyone for watching this session.